How to fix volume buttons not working on iPhone. For that, first of all, press the volume up and volume down button and see if volume is increasing and decreasing on the left side. If it is perfectly fine, then you do not have any problem on buttons. The very next step you need to do to solve this issue is launch your settings on your device. From there, go to the sounds and haptics and make sure that change with buttons is toggled on and haptics is also always play and ringtone and alerts are set to maximum. It should not be set to minimum. Once you do all of this, check if your volume buttons are working or not. If it is still not working, then the very last step you need to do is tap on General, hit on this transfer or reset iPhone, then reset all of your settings, then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.